how to repair a sink that is leaking. This sink is leaking right here. If you don't want to change the whole thing, there's a very cheap thing that you can do. Use turn off the water valve right there. Just figure out which one is. Turn it off. In this case, my hot water is leaking. Okay. You're gonna grab some Allen keys, and you're gonna loose like a bolt inside this thing. Okay. And then you're gonna remove this one, and then with top pliers you're gonna loose this one. You have to loose this one right here. Okay. And pull this nut right here. Okay, once this is loose, you can pull it out. This part, just wiggle it, it's gonna come out. But don't forget to turn off your water. If not, you're gonna have a big splash of water right here. And then inside, there's going to be a rubber piece and a little spring. Use something like this or a small screwdriver or anything you can find. And then you're gonna pull this out, okay? There is a little spring and a rubber piece. This rubber piece, with time, this is what happened. I don't know if you can see right here. You see, it's wearing out, and that's why the thing, when you close, this thing won't close anymore. What you need to do is just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something, and you're gonna buy this kit, okay? Hot or cold side. You see the rubber pieces inside. If you want, you can change the whole thing, but you got to make sure you buy the exact same one, okay? If not, you change this one. The problem is the rubber right here. All you have to do is replace the rubber piece. Okay, once you have it, you're gonna put it back like this. You're gonna need some kind of screwdriver. Just do it like this. Put it inside together and put it in. You're gonna put it inside this hole right here. Okay. Just make sure that part is clean. Make sure you clean it with something, with a small brush or something. Just make sure everything inside is nice and clean. And then we're going to put back the new rubber piece. Okay, put it like this. Okay, once it's inside, where is my thing? Oh, right there. Yeah, that's the hard part, to put this thing inside. What you can do is just wiggle it inside. Just push it with your fingers until it's all the way inside. Okay, it's all the way inside now. Just remember the way you pull this one out, okay? Right here is going to be some kind of things that it has to go inside this one. You see, this one has some kind of hole, and that's how you know it's the right way. And then just push this inside, wiggle it. There you go. We're gonna put that one back, and then the ring. Just tight this ring again. Don't over tight, just tight enough. So this is sink, how much pressure can it have? Okay, when this is on, you're gonna put the handle and just tie it up. There's an Allen key inside. Okay, once you tie this up, that's it. That's the reason it was leaking, because this rubber piece right here that goes inside it gets somewhere. You see, this little piece right here, it has a little hole, that's why it's leaking. The water is not stopping anymore. All right, good luck.